Hey everyone, I have a show that frankly I have been looking forward to do for for the last 6 months. As everybody knows, the Fresno market I talk about all the time is really hot, definitely owner occupied driven. It's hard to be an investor. And I live in the Silicon Valley. There's just this dichotomy I see going on right now where there are Silicon Valley workers actually moving to Fresno. And I've been like, you know what? We should highlight what $1 million gets you in Fresno, because I think people would be amazed at what $1 million could get you in Fresno, because it can't get you a shack in some parts of the Silicon Valley. And that is very, very disturbing. So let's welcome back Bennie Clay to the show. How you doing, Bennie?
I'm doing great, Michael. How you doing?
I'm doing very well, man. I got to tell you, you're a man of action. I have proposed this subject to no less than 15 or 20 people, and you are the only one to take action, put together
Oh, good.
some
Oh, that's
decks.
good. Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll just give you some props. We'll help you make your phone ring, and hopefully you get some sales of $1 million homes. It's okay by me.
That sounds good. Let's roll.
All right, man. Well, let's first look at stats. You and I have done a lot of shows about just the overall market, which includes the $1 million segment.
Right.
In Fresno. But the $1 million segment in Fresno, what would you say is 10% of the overall market? Maybe less?
Less than that. Yeah.
Probably less, right?
Less than that. I would say less than 10%. Absolutely.
Yeah. When you talk about total listings, definitely.
Yeah. I mean, total listings. Yeah. Under 10% for sure. There's only 42 active listings right now, and there's only been 40, I think around 41 sales so far this year over $1 million.
Okay. So again, you have. Well, we'll go through the stats first, and we'll kind of summarize this. But most importantly, folks, in a couple of minutes, we are actually going to bring up 4 or 5 just gorgeous listings, and I guarantee you're going to be shocked. But let's go through the stats so you can baseline it first.
Sure.
So these are some stats that Bennie brought us, and Bennie, what does this kind of slide tell us about the $1 million market?
This is kind of tell us what's for sale in Fresno and how many solds and what pendings are doing in Fresno. And so you can see that I ran it from January till now. So in any given month, you can see it runs about 40 on average. So 40 listings over $1 million every month are active on our local MLS, which I'm sure is a lot lower than up north and where you guys are from.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot less. Yes,
a lot less.
We may not have 42 listings below $1 million.
That's what I'm saying. So it's kind of complete opposite in Fresno. And then the pendings run about 4 or 5 a month, and solds run about 3 to 4 a month. So there's only been about 41 sales over $1 million in Fresno and Clovis. I'm just doing the cities of Fresno and Clovis for right now, not all of Fresno County.
Yeah, and again, folks. This is if you are looking for that gorgeous $1 million home, you're about to see some stuff. But what I take away from this slide is, unlike any other segment in Fresno, right? When we did Fresno total, we were talking a month of supply, right?
Yes. Yes.
Here you're talking 6 months of supply.
Yes, it's a whole different ballgame. So, for instance, in Fresno, when you jump over $1 million, the buyer pool goes way down, because our average sales price is $300,000 here in Fresno. Yep. So that's a big jump from $300,000 to over $1 million. So for that reason being, there's not as many people that can afford $1 million house or more in the Fresno Clovis area.
Well, there's probably not a lot of people here that can afford it either, but they just do anyways. I'm just kidding. But yeah, in the end, when I look at this slide, and I just saw these about 30 minutes ago, I'm like, oh my gosh. If you are an out of town, because again, this show is really for out of town, SoCal or Bay Area buyers. If you can work from home and you need to commute once a month to your office in the city, Fresno you're about to see some just gorgeous stuff, and it's going to be a great option because Fresno is an easy drive. Jump on the 5, get down south, get to the Bay Area, right up 99, 152, 101. It's an easy drive.
You've made that drive several times, right, Michael?
Oh, yes. Yeah. Yeah. It's probably approaching 500 times. But yes.
There you go.
All right. So here we go. Oh, then you got the price per square foot. There you go.
Yeah, so I kind of wanted to put this slide up here because I wanted to get it in retro perspective compared to down south and up north, because I know you guys are probably in the thousands per square foot, price per square foot, and we're only in the low 300s. So what I'm getting at is you get way more bang for your buck here in Fresno or Clovis versus up north or down south.
Yeah. Yeah, you said that well. And again, folks, you're about to be amazed. So let me stop sharing this because I have to bring up a different slide deck. Hi, Benny. There we go. So this is something Benny did for us, and I will go ahead and control it. So you tell me when you want me to move forward. You want to say anything about your company before we jump on?
Yeah. My name is Bennie Clay. I'm the co-founder of the Clayson Group. We are out of Keller Williams, Fresno. We work out of the Keller Williams, Fresno office, and we specialize in investments and listing homes, and we do everything from all price ranges. And so I particularly do a lot of our $1 million listings and handle the luxury part of our group. And so just kind of want to go through some slides and kind of show you guys what's available here in Fresno and Clovis that's over $1 million. I think you'd be quite surprised.
All right, folks. Make sure if you live in the Bay Area, make sure you're sitting down. Make sure you're sitting down is all I got to tell you. So here's the first one.
Okay, so this one is located actually on a golf course. It's the Copper River Golf Course. I'm actually a member there. It is 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It's a beautiful Spanish-looking style home, and it is for $1.75 million. The square footage on this one is 4,049. Wow. And it's got a pool, and it's located on the 18th green. So the 18th hole at Copper is really famous because it's got a river running through it, and it's one of the prettiest holes. And so what you get in this house is you basically get everything, on the golf course, Spanish style, huge, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, fully loaded, fully upgraded, very nice home. I mean, these are only 2 pictures, but I mean, this house is just, the kitchen is gorgeous. It's got high ceilings. You've got a lot of room. And again, you're on a golf course for $1.75 million.
And again, folks, $1.75 million, 18th green, Copper Ridge Golf Course, exclusive area. Just look at the backyard and the front yard pictures. This place is dialed in.
It's really nice. I mean, it's a really gorgeous house. If you guys ever have any questions, or anybody from up north or down south want to take a look at it, and I can send you some more pictures about it. But I mean, these 3 pictures are really nice. But I mean, I've seen it in person. It's a beautiful home.
Yeah, and again, folks, what I'm doing with this, again, let's reward Benny for putting this together for us. As I said, 15 or so other people had the chance, and Benny's the first to do it. So we'll give Benny's contact details here in a minute. If you're looking for a 7-figure home in Fresno or Clovis, you must call Benny. He's doing great stuff for us. So let's reciprocate and give him a ring. All right. So, God, that house is gorgeous. I'm not sure I like the moose on the wall, but that's
yeah, that's a pretty cool feature. I mean, this house has got nice, it's got custom wood trim, custom wood beams throughout the entire thing. I mean, it's honestly a beautiful home.
Yeah, that staircase has to be custom.
Yeah, it's very custom. It's very nice.
Jeez. All right. Well, there you go. That's. I mean, you know what that would cost in the Bay Area?
How much would that cost in the Bay Area?
Well, you're on, what are you, a 12,000 square foot lot? Did I see that somewhere?
12,000, yeah, almost 13,000 square foot lot.
Man, you might be 6 million, 6.5.
Oh my gosh,
7.
wow. That's crazy. So you're talking a third of the cost, a little less than that, even like right around third or a little less.
Yeah, I mean, there are condos in Mountain View that go for 1.6 to 1.8 that are 1,800 square feet. It's crazy. All right, yeah. Number two.
So this one's one of my favorites. This is a ranch style home located in Fresno. It's on 20 acres.
Wow.
4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath. And the house sits on 2 acres, and there's 18 acres around it that you could plant almond trees or any type of tree that you want. It's already set up for it. And it's got a huge backyard with a gorgeous looking pool.
Yeah, look at that.
And it's for $1.6 million. And actually that just got reduced to 1.3. So look what you get. You get 20 acres of room to roam. And if you're looking to maybe retire a little bit and plant some almonds and get some farming or pistachios or something going, I mean, this is the place. This place is really, really nice.
Look at that backyard. Talk about having space. Dude, if you look in the Silicon Valley and you can Zoom your meetings, you better be looking in Fresno. That's all I got to tell you. Look at what you could get.
This property, this is why I kind of wanted to give you a mix of different things going on of the 41 listings. This one's on acreage. That one was on a golf course. So I kind of wanted to give you a mix of the two and what you could get.
See, that's why you're a genius. Again, nobody else has done this for me, Benny. I've asked 15 people. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow. Gosh, gorgeous.
It's a beautiful home.
Yep. Next.
All right, this one's in Clovis. This one's on Santa Ana. This is so if you're looking for like a modern looking like house that's completely remodeled with the gray white finishes, it's got 8 bedrooms. So it's for a larger family. It's just right at about $1 million, almost 1.1, 1.89.
Mm-hmm.
It's 4,100 square feet. It's on 2 acres. And look what you get. It comes with a pool too. Look what you get for just a little bit over $1 million. I mean, another piece of property that's been completely redone with a pool on some acreage for, again, just right under $1.1 million.
That's pretty crazy.
Yep. So
wow.
I just wanted to, give like couple different examples of different price points and what you can get for your money here.
Very cool. All right. Now Clovis, huh?
Yeah, so this is Scott and I's listing, actually.
Okay.
So this one's very unique. It's in a very good area. So it's Clovis North School District. It's right behind Copper River Golf Course. And it's on 5 acres. It's 4,200 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths. And this is unique in the sense that it has 200 Japanese plum trees on it and irrigated, and they actually farm those and sell them to someone down south to make Japanese wine out of it.
Oh,
so
wow.
So it's a very unique house. It's a custom built house. And again, it's for 1.199 million. It's a really neat house too. It needs a little bit of upgrading, but I mean, for what you're getting in the location, it's a steal, honestly.
Yeah, and again, you had some more pictures here, I think.
Yes, I think I do have some more pictures in there. Yep. So here's kind of the backyard. This owner here happened to be Japanese, and he's really big on his garden. So he kind of created a walkway around his garden. There's a lot of mature trees, a lot of beautiful, the garden's like really upkept. They have a caretaker that lives there that takes care of the garden, so it's in immaculate condition.
Right.
So again, this house offers a lot. It's for 1.199 million, and it also, which doesn't show in the picture, there's a big metal shed. So it's about 1,000 square feet. It's a custom metal shed, and it's brand new. It's only a year old. So if you're looking to store stuff and have some space, this would be the place for you. Wow.
Again, this is just amazing what you can get in Fresno. And again, Clovis is, the Bay Area folks, is the Cupertino of Fresno, right? It's the school district. It's all those extra things that you get with that. So you can walk into one of the best school districts in Fresno County. Just amazing, amazing stuff. Go ahead.
And right next to this house, literally right next door, Gary McDonald, who's a big custom builder here in town, has 2-acre lots going for sale for $900,000.
Just the lots.
5 acres. Yeah. Lots, 2-acre lots. And this one you get 5 acres with a house already built for 1.199. So again, the value here and the location of where it's at is really stunning.
Pretty amazing. Well, there you go. That's great work, Benny. Again, here's the number. Get a hold of Benny. Give him a call at 559-940-0606. You can always email him at benny@theclaysongroup.com, and we have to say those out loud just in case people are listening on the podcast and not seeing the video.
Yeah, and I'm looking to build relationships with people up north and down south. So if you have clients that are looking to move down here in the Central Valley, I'd love to help them out and create a working relationship with you and a referral network. So please reach out to me. I'm really easy to get a hold of. I'd love to work with you.
Yeah, absolutely. Guys, again, Benny's doing something for us. So if you're looking to move and you're in the 7-figure club, give Benny a call. One more time, Benny, what's your phone number?
Area code 559-940-0606.
Very cool, man. Well, thank you very much for doing this. I look forward to doing this maybe once a month, huh?
Oh, yeah. I'd love to do this. And I'm looking forward to our stats here next week, too, doing our stats video.
That's right. There you go. All right, buddy. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.
All right. You too. Thanks, Michael.